miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing. The strongest winds will occur with The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 28, effective until 10 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Frederick, Hartford, Howard Kent, Montgomery, Prince George's, Queen Anne's and Talbot, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore, and the following, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.